enable sync from Shopify to ecom. Now this sync also includes if you get any new order in Shopify, that will automatically get added to our ecom infrastructure. If you create a new product in Shopify, it will automatically get added in our products as well in the ecom section. So basically it will automatically get added to your WhatsApp catalog. Now you need to simply click on edit, and the sync type for now is one way, that is products and orders from Shopify will automatically be synced to our native ecom. Now, in case of the inventory behavior, if a new order is placed in WhatsApp and if you want to update the stock in Shopify, you need to select on flexible inventory override. And if a new order is placed in Shopify and if you want to update the stock in WhatsApp, you again need to select the same thing. But if you don't want to update any kind of inventory, you can simply select for bypass and click on update store.